Bosch Hammer GSH5, not switching on. And there's a broken lead too. So I'll switch it on because it needs brushes. Simple enough, that one. And the brushes wear out, and these Bosch hammers are most modern tools. They have a built-in spring, wee coil spring at the bottom of the brush. So when the brush wears down so far, this wee spring pops out and pushes the brush away from the combar, from the armature, stopping the machine dead. So if you're running a Bosch hammer, or any hammer, any tool basically that has brushes on it, the thing just stops dead out of nowhere. Check your brushes. They could have just popped and need replacing. Need to do a clean out here as well. Well worn down. It's going to need a lead. It's a T10 Torx bit. Takes out the screws that hold this lead on. Don't be trying to use anything else. I'll just wreck the screws. That's her. Set of brushes on a lead. Up and running. To give you an idea of cost, that there, set of brushes and a kibble, plugs reused, €43. That's all included. The brushes, the lead, labour and VAT, all together, €43 for that wee job. Not too expensive.